Hey, it's Sandy. Welcome back to Cute Polish. Today, Erin will be sharing her nail care routine.
Hey guys, it's Erin. I'm going to show you a super simple nail care routine because there's honestly just a few steps you need to do to keep your nails healthy and looking clean. So the first thing I like to do in my nail care routine is to clean up my cuticles, and for this I like to use a cuticle exfoliator. This is just a slight chemical exfoliant to help remove any dead skin on your nail plate, which is the surface of your nail. A lot of people will trim their cuticles, but you have to be very careful because it could possibly lead to infection if you accidentally trim the live skin, so I personally just like to push back my cuticles and remove it from the nail plate with a exfoliator. I'm using this little tool that has one rounded end and one pointy end, and it's really great for pushing back your cuticles and then scraping away any dead skin. So I'm using the rounded end to gently push back my cuticles, and then just scraping with the pointed end to remove any dead skin. If you have any hangnails or bits of cuticle you need to trim off, you can use these cuticle nippers. I'm just trimming off a hangnail here. And once I make sure that I've removed the cuticle exfoliant, I rehydrate my nails using a cuticle oil. Jojoba oil is a really great nail care item because the chemical structure of that oil actually most closely mimics the natural oils of your skin. So it's going to do a really great job at rehydrating your nails and your skin. Next, of course, is filing your nails, and you can use a traditional emery board for this, but I would really recommend a glass nail file. There are a lot of benefits to a glass nail file, one of them being they're so much longer lasting than an emery board. They're also easier to sanitize and clean, and when used properly, they're a lot safer on your natural nail and do a lot less tugging. Typically when you file your nails, you only want to file in one direction, but with a glass nail file, there's so little tugging, as you can see here, that you can file in both directions to shorten up to whatever length you prefer. Today I'm shortening my nails up a little bit, so I'm taking off a bit of length. For your nail care routine, you should file your nails to whatever shape you prefer. I like my nails to be very square, so for me, I'm filing straight across on the free edge of my nail, and then I'm taking the nail file and just very carefully filing down the side walls a little bit for a really sharp corner. So now my nails are all a nice even length and they are nicely squared. That is just my typical routine for maintaining the shape and look of my nails, but the most important overall routine to keep your nails healthy is definitely cuticle oil. I have tons of cuticle oil and I go everywhere with them. There are a lot of different options for cuticle oils based on your preference. For example, this is a nice small one with a doe foot applicator, so you can just apply it easily around your cuticles. This is also another one I like for throwing in my bag and taking with me. It's a roller ball, so it's great for traveling, throwing in a bag, and it has a keychain. I also like brush-on cuticle oils, and again, the jojoba oil I used earlier is a real staple for my nail care routine. You should be oiling your nails at least twice a day, or for me, I try to do it whenever I wash my hands just to replenish that moisture to my skin and my nails. Keeping your cuticles and your nails hydrated will really help make sure your nails are flexible and healthy, which makes them more resilient and stronger. So there you have all of the basics you need for a healthy nail care routine. We really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more from Cute Polish, you can click the boxes here, or click the circle here to subscribe to Cute Polish for a new video every week. You can also click the circle here to subscribe to my personal nail art channel.